If you've seen the PowerShell terminal and wondered what all those commands are for, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll go from opening the terminal to navigating folders, running commands, getting help, and working with files. By the end, you'll have a solid starting point. First, open the Start menu and search for PowerShell. You may see Windows PowerShell or a newer PowerShell application. Select the version you want to use and wait for the terminal window to open. You can also launch it through Windows Terminal if that's your preferred setup. When PowerShell opens, you'll see a prompt waiting for your input. The prompt usually shows your current location, followed by a greater than symbol. This is where you type commands. After entering a command, press Enter to run it and view the result. To move around your computer, start with Get Location. This shows your current folder. Use getChildItem to list files and folders in that location. Then use setLocation followed by a folder path to move somewhere else. You can also use the shorter aliases pwd, dir, and cd. PowerShell can also manage files directly from the terminal. For example, new item can create a file or folder. Copy item copies something to another location. Move item moves it, and remove item deletes it. Always double-check the path before using commands that modify or delete files. To discover available commands, use getCommand. If you know the command but aren't sure how it works, use getHelp, followed by the command name. For example, getHelp getProcess gives you information about that command. You can also use getProcess to view running processes. You can also launch programs and scripts from PowerShell. For a program that's available through your path, enter its command name. For an item in the current folder, you may need the / prefix, such as /script, ps1. If a script is blocked, check the error message and your execution policy before making changes. And that's the basics of using the PowerShell terminal. Open it, understand the prompt, navigate with location commands, manage files, use getCommand and getHelp, and then start experimenting with simple commands. Yeah, the best way to learn PowerShell is to practice one command at a time.